Hi there guys and gals, let's do this quick. Thank you Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I should pass. Shout out to each every one of you. Guys and gals, I have to continue my story regarding Mr. Chano Gibbs. Last year, I uploaded a topic regarding him. And based on my experience to him, while we were on our stints in Idol Cosigap 20 years ago, what I've known about Mr. Chano Gibbs was he's some kind of a very kind person, because he keeps on buying my Pili Nuts products. Not only one bottle, but when I had a remaining 6 bottles or how many it was, he bought that for me. And he also bought Pili Tart and Masapan. So I'm some kind of disappointed about the rumors throwing on him about last year of his father's death. My apology, Mr. Chano Gibbs, but I had to defend you, okay? And not because I was saying this, he was buying my products. No, it's not. That was based on my experience, and I really admire Mr. Chano Gibbs, because while we're on the set, we talk about other stuffs, and he also make fun. I thought, sorry, he makes jokes to the people around, and that's why I'm very sad, and I feel so disgusted to all the rumors throwing on him that there are some kind of malicious items and below the belt. And as we all know, he was being bypassed by the police department, because I don't want to elaborate, guys and gals, because it's already passed and he already moved on. But I just want to say about Chano Gibbs that he's a generous one, and he's such a great actor. Okay, so we're still on the go. Hold on, guys, my apology, I'm being rattled. I supposed to have my cover songs, but my voice couldn't work that much because I have a little bit of coughs. I'm trying to continue Sharon Cunetas and Ray Valeras kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, and I also tried Sabihin Mo by Smoky Mountain, but it really won't work, guys and girls, because a little bit of phlegm. And I just want